Hi, Gracie. How are you? Hi guys, this is Flint with Circle G Kiko. We are getting ready to do chores. Kids went down to mom's for a little bit, so Savannah and me decided we'd go ahead and knock out chores real quick. All the Kikos are coming up. They're out on the grass down the road. They're all coming up. They're ready to eat. Savannah put Mabel and Big Brutus here in together. See if she'd get bread yesterday. So kind of keep an eye on them, see if he does his job or not. And Milky Way, still as fat as ever, still hasn't kidded. Come on, girls, get back, get back, get back. Oh, guys, back. Tom, what are you doing? Tom, you eat more than the goats are. So we had a little incident with Elvis. He was able to fit through the chicken door in the chicken house and got into the chicken feed. And yesterday he got bloated on us. We had to give him baking soda and water. If you guys don't know, that helps with bloating. And we did get some air out of his belly. Gave him some cord to help him not get the runs. And he's just still not 100% today. So we might give him some more baking soda and water today to get that swelling down. If they get into feed, if goats get into feed and it's not like something they're used to, or if they overgorge themselves, they bloat, and it can be fatal if you don't catch it. We were lucky enough we caught it in time. I got the hole blocked. Off, but he's still not feeling 100%.
He was out grazing this morning.
He was out grazing this morning. Well, that's good. But so the little dude sneak and feed made himself sick.
Yeah, he needs some more baking soda and cord.
Okay. All right, guys, I got my stuff all fixed up. This is what I use when our goats get bloated. Just put baking soda. It's a tablespoon for an adult with some water and a teaspoon for babies. And give it once, twice a day, how often you think it needs it, until the bloating goes down. And then cord, a couple cc's of cord, which helps with the scours, the runs from being overfed. So get him all fixed up here.
You got a tummy ache, buddy. You got a tummy ache.
You did it to yourself, dude.
You can't sneak into the chicken coop.
Oh, you did. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Hold on. I know. Here. I know. He's yucky. Can you hand me that other? Behind you.
Where's it at?
Back there.
Oh, yeah.
Buddy. Oh, this is the one that's a pain. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
It's always something.
Yep, that's the farm life. Come on, buddy. Burp it up. Lots of air in your belly. There you go.
Oh, there was a burp.
Stomach's already going down.
Good.
There you go.
Ooh, that was the best burp yet.
Smells awesome.
Oh, sorry, buddy. There you go. Walk it off. Walk it off. I'll leave him in here for a little bit. I might do it again after bed. Okay. All right. Okay. Always something, guys. You just gotta expect it. We didn't even think about him being able to slip through that little hole, but he's not very big. He sure enough did. Yeah, we don't know how much he ate. We don't know how long he was in there. She went out there to feed him or to feed everybody, and he was just in there just gorging himself. So he was being a little piglet, and now he is suffering for it. It sucks. If we just would have caught it ahead of time, or would have thought about it. Oh well, I think he'll be okay. We'll probably come back out here in a couple hours and give him another round of the baking soda. Sorry, buddy. You got a tummy ache. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.
He's doing really good about not being pushy.
Yeah.
Like bottle babies are.
Gotta start working with him with the halter.
I've had some people tell me that there's really no hope for him since he is a bottle baby, and they're more apt to get the what they call berserk male syndrome, and llamas, females can get it too, but they call it berserk male syndrome. And we're just being hopeful that that's not going to happen and work with him, but we are aware that that's a possibility.
Yeah, they say the male bottle baby llamas are a no-go. You should always gild them. But man, I've done enough research to know kind of how to try to prevent them from being mean or turning aggressive. So we've been working with him. We don't let him be pushy at all or get up on us at all. And as of right now, he's doing really well. So we're just gonna keep up that routine. And if we ever have anything that makes us question it, well, we'll get him taken care of. But as of right now, we're gonna keep him intact.
And people have been really negative about it.
Yeah, there's a lot of negative.
I know that there's, we're gonna have to really watch him when he hits that age of maturity. But we're not just gonna.
A lot of negativity around that, but
it's not like we're not taking precautions with him. So you're a good boy, aren't you?
So I guess until that time comes, but we are working with him. We're gonna try to prevent it every way we can, because I really would like to keep him intact. So if we have to do something with him, then we will.
If he ends up being too dangerous, we're not.
Well, yeah, if he gets mean or aggressive at all, then he'll have to go bye-bye. But I think as long as we work with him, and maybe I'm totally wrong, but I feel like if we work with him and we know the risks and we know what can happen if you don't work with them, then I think we can keep him from being that way. But I don't know. You just never know with animals. That's just the farm life.
Lola, come show us your hillbilly grin.
Lola lost a tooth. So now she's got a gap.
I was a little freaked out when I came out here and her front tooth was hanging out of her mouth, but I did some research, and between 3 and 4, llamas lose their baby teeth and get permanent teeth, so nothing to be worried about.
Yeah. She looked kind of goofy
for a few days, though.
She was looking a little hillbilly-ish. Got the 2 lovebirds here.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. She might take, she might not.
She acted like she was in heat the other day, so I went ahead and put her in with Brutus. It's pretty late in the breeding season, so if she doesn't get bred, I really won't be shocked, but we'll see. He just bit it. Did you bite Zorro?
Hi, Gracie. How are you? Well, guys, here's my llama shed. It's all done. Ugh, I need to get out here and get busy on it. Yeah, I got good airflow through it. And the sun when it's sunny and rain when it's rainy. Gosh, it's a mud pit out here though. It's nasty. I need to be working on it, but it's cold-ish. It's muddy.
It is nice. Tomorrow's supposed to be almost 60.
Yeah, tomorrow's supposed to be nice. But the wind's supposed to be blowing tomorrow, like 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts, because it's Kansas, and that's what it does 24/7. Even right now, it feels calm, but it's really not. Go holding up a 16-foot piece of metal, it'll be flopping around. Somebody's having a fit. Apparently the chicken thinks she needs to lay in there now. There's a broken egg up top there.
Yeah, that's when the goats broke in here and knocked down that hay bale.
Can't have
It was
anything
smelly.
there.
I don't know how long it had been up on the hay bale.
For a while. Yummy.
You didn't know where Tom roosts.
Yeah, I know. Probably ought to clean up in here. Ooh. Well guys, I was trying the video and my tripod, it broke. Better than my phone, but this is the tripod I use. These legs are bendy. Can't really do it one-handed, but pretty cool. Pretty handy little tripod for when you're doing chores and things. But this piece, which is just cheap little deal I can put my phone in, it fell off the shelf there and broke. So I have to glue it up or order a new one. My Kiko girl should be kidding in around a month and a half. They're looking very pregnant, so that's exciting. Should have a whole bunch of babies on the ground. I'd say, let's see what we got, 40, I believe we got 42 bred does. So, we should have 60 plus kids on the ground, 70 kids on the ground. Oh man, Milky Way. Huh?
That's a lot to think about.
It's a lot of kids, isn't it? Yeah.
At least I'm not about to pop a baby out the
Our last kidding season, we kidded out 57 kids, and we lost one out of 57, which is pretty good. If we can keep our losses down like that and get a bunch more doubles and triples, since all them at moms are not first time does anymore,
We
doeling.
got all the first timers here.
All these will be the first timers, and then the ones that are at moms are the experienced mothers. We got rid of any that were problems and had messed up bags or that we just had issues with. So all of them that we have now, the does down there, are all experienced. Be interesting to see what we get out of these. We'll see what kind of kids he's throwing. So hopefully it'll be another fantastic kidding season. Maybe just a little warmer than last time. We were kidding out here when it was 5 degrees, blowing snow, and she was pregnant. It was, yeah, she was super pregnant. It was a time, but we did very well with our kidding last year. So hopefully we can do it again. Couple chickens in here.
Hi girls and boys. There's Reggie up there. I like this rooster.
Yeah. pretty.
Hello.
Hi, turkeys. Guys just chilling. Hi, girls. Hi, girls.
Yeah, they need water. I'm gonna go get them some water.
Well, I guess. I just go get a bucket. Tom's right there. He just like chases you around if you have a bucket. Yeah, Tom, I see you. Look at him. He's like right here. Yeah, I know. I'm getting some water. Yeah, it's water, Tom. It's water. Always trying to steal feed from you. Tom. Tom. You guys aren't supposed to be in here.
At the peanut gallery here.
They're gonna knock over the water. Oh my goodness. Everybody's coming in.
At the peanut gallery.
Everybody's coming to visit. Nah, get out of here.
Tom.
Come on, girls. Come on. Go. Come on. Go. Come on.
They grow really fast.
Yeah, turkeys do grow fast. Come on. Go. Come on. There's a reason there's a gate on here. Go. Yeah.
I'm really glad we got that.
Okay.
Eventually we probably will use them for meat. Some of them, but they are also just super cool.
I don't want to clean any turkeys for a while.
So why not?
As a kid, my mom thought it'd be fun to raise the meat chickens, and so I built what they call like a tractor. What they call it? Yeah, chicken tractor, whatever, moving around the yard. And I don't know how many we had. We had a pile of chickens in it. Move it like every day around the yard, and then come time to butcher them, and we butchered them. I don't know how long it took us to where we could actually eat them. There's just, I don't know. I can go out hunting, harvest like a turkey or a deer, and eat it no problem.
We are gonna do meat chicken.
After doing all them chickens, it was like, oh, it took us forever before we could eat them.
Chicken.
They just,
And we're gonna do meat rabbits.
yeah, I can do a rabbit. I
In
can
the
do
next couple
rabbits.
years, we'd like to do rabbits.
Yes, meat rabbits, meat chickens, whatever. I don't know. The chickens, they just smelled so bad butchering them, and oh, it was awful. It was awful. And that normally don't mess with me, because I am a hunter, and we do eat a lot of wild game. But those chickens are nasty. I'm not gonna lie, they was nasty. But we had a lot of chicken in the freezer. Yeah, someday we'll be able to afford to butcher goats. It's hard to butcher a goat when I can sell it for 300 bucks. That's kind of hard. I'd rather got shoot a deer. Okay, just gonna fill up waters, and then I gotta decide if I'm gonna do anything else out here or not.
Still no babies, got all the fat mama out there.
Yeah, well, Milky Way, she's large.
They're just playing. They do this all the time.
Mommy only gets a little annoying whenever she's playing with the goats. Man, it's putting Milky Way up. Pretty well got it down pat. She knows what to do. She knows if she wants fed, she's got to go in her stall. So it works out pretty good. How many babies you got in there? Huh? How many babies you got? You are so wide. Milky Way, you need to have babies. You need to have babies. Yes, you're way past your due date. Oh, here comes everybody else. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. How are you? Oh, Zorro. Well guys, Savannah's gonna get her girls fed here real quick, get Milky Way locked up for this evening, and then I guess we're probably pretty well done. Sun's getting ready to set. I appreciate everyone you guys that's watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And like always, God bless you from Circle G Kiko.